Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks, and behind me is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Echelon, 29,000 original miles, front wheel drive, silver on silver with a black stripe. It does have four-way clear strobes hidden in the grille, flag mounts and staffs, beautiful polished wheels, and a full painted top. This Echelon comes fully loaded with B&C pillar chrome. It also has a open church truck in here in this absolutely gorgeous stormy granite floor here. So open church truck gives you that flexibility to stand the church truck upright, or you can pop this door up and you can lay it down horizontally and hide it completely underneath the casket table. You also have a bent aluminum tray down below for umbrellas. Dual nameplate holders here on the number 2 door that is mirrored on the driver's door as well. The best part about an Echelon is it's the absolute top of the line. So you get a vista moonroof up top that you can look through. You get C-cut side windows, full built-in urn carrier on this model, along with an extend sill. You press this little black button and it'll slide right out. Your side wheel boxes are tucked away. It's a beautiful gloss black texture. You do have some of the stormy granite throughout on the sides here as well. Fully lit compartment. You have 6 lights up top, and then you have the 2 LED strips that run up the sides. You can get a custom nameplate put in here that is still available. We can still order as part of your purchase. Currently it has the default Dove in it. Backup camera standard on this model, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On this side you have a full-size matching spare tire hidden behind this door in a closed well. So you pop this open, there's your spare tire, jack and toolkit. You can close this, that way no one knows what's behind the door, so you can store other things for the funeral home. You do have 2 chrome nameplate holders here on this side, along with your B&C pillar chrome that you can see here. This coach light is LED and it does work on both sides as well. Interior wise, 29,000 mile Cadillac XTS, very standard. I'm going to shut this just so it stops dinging. But you do have power tilt and telescoping column, push button start, remote start, backup camera, once again Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, any feature you're looking for, this car has. This is the last year of the XTS body style, so it matches almost everything from 2013 till 2019. 18 and 19s did get a facelift, so if you are comparing the two, take a peek at that. Different taillights, different headlights, different grille. So this is the latest and greatest. If you're looking for the last sedan hearse ever built, this is your ticket right here, and this is the top of the line in silver. Give me a call, 800-229-5008 if you want to check this car out. We have 80 plus photos of this vehicle on the website, 2 videos, this beautiful demo right here. Would love to take some more photos of it. If you need any aspect of the vehicle, we're more than willing to show off for you. So once again, give me a call. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one.